Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today I'm kind of doing like an updated version of the Tunisian video they did back in March of last year. So I'm making a Tunisian temperature blanket type hybrid thing over on our Facebook Lives, and I'll talk a little bit more about that in the video, but I wanted to show you guys the stitches that I'm using. It's super easy, it's super simple. We're doing a Tunisian forward pass and a Tunisian return pass. So as I've said in the lives and as I'll say in the video, if you can single crochet, you can make this stitch. I'll show you my favorite hooks that I use because I get asked a lot about that. I did a review video on those before as well, and I'll link that below for you to see the whole thing. But yeah, this is my favorite set. This is the stitch that I'm using, and it's super, super simple. So I'm gonna grab my hook, I'm gonna grab my yarn, and I'll show you guys how to do it. Like I said, if you don't have any questions whatsoever, leave those in the comments below or come over and hang out with me on the Facebook Live on Thursdays at 11 a.m. Eastern, and I'll be able to help you guys out. Hi friends, when you look in the description below this video, there's going to be a link there that contains free patterns. Make sure you click that, check it out, and I'm so excited to see how you make them. Bye guys. Alright, so like I said, today I'm going to show you guys the basics of Tunisian crochet. So we already have a video up like this, but I know it's kind of hard to go back because it was from like March of last year. So I'm just going to kind of redo that one. We're going to use my favorite set of hooks. So these are the Denise interchangeable crochet hooks. I love them. My 6.5 is currently being used by the temperature blanket that I am making over on the Facebook page, but I'm just going to show you what I'm doing on that blanket so that you guys have a video for it. So I'm just going to grab a hook and a longer cable, and these just snap into place. They're in there, and then you put a stopper at the end. So we are good to go. And then I'm just going to use some Dishy from Knit Picks. I'm using Knit Picks Brava Worsted for the Tunisian blanket. But like I've said in my lives, if you can crochet a single crochet, you can Tunisian crochet. So it's really, really simple. All we're going to do is we're going to create our slip knot. My Band-Aid keeps getting stuck. I cut my finger on a vegetable chopper, so we're just going to ignore that. And we're just going to chain however many you want. So we're not going to do a huge one. I'm just going to show you guys the basics. And all you do is chain to start. And then all you do is you go into the first chain and you pull up a loop. And then you go, well, it's technically the second one because you have one on your hook. So you go into that next one and pull up a loop. And then you do that all the way down. And you just leave them on your hook. Don't take them off yet. So we've got all of our loops on our hook. And it looks like this. And then the first one, you just yarn over and you pull through one loop. And this will be your chain on your end that goes up this way. And then every stitch after that, you yarn over and you pull through 2 loops. And you just keep yarning over and pulling 2 loops. And now you've finished your whole first row of Tunisian. And now to go into your second row, so this is called a forward pass. So we leave our loop on our hook and we go into the bar in the front and we pull up a loop and go into the bar in the front. And this is called a forward pass. And then when we get to the last one, so we just went through the last bar, we turn this over and we go into the entire stitch at the end and pull up a loop. And then we do our return pass. So we yarn over and pull through the first one, and then yarn over and pull through 2, and we keep doing that on the return pass. And that's all I'm doing for this blanket. I'm using a 6.5 millimeter Tunisian crochet hook. I'm using the largest cable that it comes with a stopper at the end of it. And that's it. That is how you do Tunisian crochet, the forward pass and the return pass. If you're a member of the Happily Hooked community, you can get access to our Tunisian course that we have, that Tony from TL Yarn Crafts did. Depending on your membership, I believe. But if you email support@happilyhooked.com, they can get you all the information to that if you have access to it, if you don't, how to get access to it. But this is all I'm doing, is just a simple forward pass and a return pass. And then I'm just changing colors depending on the week. But like I said, if you can single crochet, you can do a Tunisian forward pass and a Tunisian return pass. But yeah, so if you have any questions, leave those in the comments below. I'm also, like I said, I'm live every single Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern, so just check out the video. Come talk to me. I'll be able to let you know. I'm live over on Facebook, so it's just, the link for that is in the description below. You can also sign up for reminders if you want to hang out with me over there. I'm normally live for like 45 minutes or an hour every Thursday, 11 a.m. Eastern, and we're just working on this blanket for right now. So yeah, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, though, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.